This is Bill Draves, president of LERN. Thank you for being here, and more importantly, thank you for all your work in lifelong learning programming this year. As LERN finishes up its fiscal year, we want to present our top 10 highlights of the year. This year, yes, thousands of practitioners came to our conferences. Yes, thousands of people took our classes. But this year, we want to feature the research and recommendations for best practices moving forward that we pioneered working with our LERN leaders and LERN members. Let's take a look. These three LERN members and these three LERN leaders introduced for the first time new techniques for solving one of the biggest problems in our field right now, which is retaining staff, productivity for staff, and making staff feel satisfied with what their work is for our programs. This became nurturing staff techniques, and we will continue to explore that this year. Nurturing staff, nurturing instructors, and a whole new nurturing management style will be featured at this year's conference. Number 9, your income and registration potential. From a survey of hundreds of you by institution and by size of community, we have established benchmarks for what you can achieve in terms of registrations and income, again, for your institutional setting and your size of community. Number 8, the print brochure has more engagement compared to digital marketing only. LERN continues its 10-year record of research into the value of the print brochure for programs in the United States. And this year, we showed that the print brochure engages readers longer and thus recruits more people to your program than merely digital marketing. Number 7, recognize your staff and volunteers. This year, Tim Litvin of Minnetonka, Minnesota, established the benchmark with his presentations and writings about how you can reward and recognize and motivate your staff, instructors, and volunteers for your program. A key, no cost, big advantage for you. Number 6, authentic programming demonstrated. Instead of just sending your brochures and your emails and your social media out to unreached audiences for your existing classes, Aviva Hillebrand and her staff in Minneapolis developed separate classes by community for her culturally different and ethnic different communities. This is going to be a big thing moving forward. We all need to serve more different communities and unserved people out there. And this will be a highlight and direction moving forward for all of us. Number 5, articulate your program's value. Well, the value of your program is far greater than just offering classes and having an operating margin at the end of the fiscal year. And LERN leader Jill Korsak prompted us to develop a series of research and then finding best practices for how to convey that message. You do a great job in communicating your message to the community, but we all need to strengthen our message to our institutional leaders about the greater value of our program. Number 4, offer boomer and kids classes. Working with a number of our LERN leaders and members, LERN came out with a recommendation this year that every program, regardless of institutional setting, should offer both a program of classes for boomers and older adults and also develop a program or expand it for kids. Now, we will begin offering a new training session featuring Danielle Bassett, one of the top programmers for kids programming in North America, to train programs on the operations of running a successful program for youth during the summer. That will also lead to more research into the popular and profitable classes that you can offer for baby boomers and why you should be offering classes for both baby boomers and kids. Number 3, class rank premieres. LERN works with 200 organizations like yours in Bermuda, across Canada, and across the United States to deliver superior quality education with online professional development classes. We are the only nonprofit provider of continuing education online for communities. And like you, as a nonprofit, we have superior quality education. This year, we premiered a new feature, Class Rank. Now you and your students and the employers of your students can find out how well your students did. Number 2, the solution to the boys and STEM crisis. Well, this is the biggest issue for American society and the economy in this new century. And LERN has been the first organization to discover the solution to these two big issues. The LERN Board of Directors, working with the LERN staff, recommended and discovered that solution. This year, we are now working with another national organization to implement the solution. America is now ready for the solution. And number 1, more financial contributions discovered. Laura Matchett and Dino Hernandez have discovered 2 additional ways in which your program makes additional financial contributions to your institution. Yes, you are important and enhance the quality of life in your community. Yes, you are important and enhance the economic prosperity of your community. But you also make more financial contributions to your institution that you or your central administrators are aware of. And moving forward, we are going to highlight and further explore those additional contributions that make your program so valuable in both quality of life and financial contributions. This coming year, we will be researching digital marketing key performance indicators, more research on reaching underserved audiences, and we will premiere our own Learn AI. Thanks to the Learn Consulting and Management team, the largest in the field of lifelong learning programming. Thanks to our board of directors. Thanks to the thousands of Learn members who make the Learn organization the leading organization in North America in lifelong learning programming.